everyone, did you know there's a city in China where toys, cars, and even medicines are made? It's called Taizhou. It's like a real-life toy factory from your favorite cartoons. Taizhou is home to Geely Auto, a famous car company. 1 out of 10 cars in China is made here. Imagine giant robots helping build shiny new cars, just like Transformers. Taizhou makes special medicines that help people stay healthy. They are exported to over 120 countries and regions worldwide. Taizhou is the mold king of China. Molds are like cookie cutters, but for making phone cases, toys, and car parts. Taizhou makes the world happy. Your toys, your family's car, or even the water pump in your school might come from Taizhou. The city factories use green energy to keep our planet clean. Fun fact, Taizhou have more than 10,000 factories. That's like a factory for every 5 kids in your school. Let's cheer for Taizhou, the city that builds the future.